shadow roars through the battlefield. Skies, fast, ruthless, and armed to the teeth. This is the Mi-28, Russia's Night Hunter. Built for one thing, destruction. Tonight it strikes, and the world watches. The Mi-28 and Havoc isn't just an attack helicopter. It's a weaponized beast, born from decades of battlefield evolution. Twin 2,200 horsepower engines, a 30mm Shipyonov autocannon, and the advanced night vision targeting DOT systems. Designed to dominate at low altitudes and dodge radar, the Mi-28 thrives in DOT chaos. Watch as it unleashes Sturm V and Ataka missiles on moving ground, targets in real-time combat drills. Its agility, second only to its lethality. Unlike the American Apache, the Mi-28 boasts fully armored cockpits and redundant control systems, a design for survival under fire. The crew? 2 deadly operators, a pilot and a weapons officer, synced like a single machine. But what truly makes the Mi-28 a night hunter is its ability to operate in zero-dot light. With helmet-mounted sights, thermal dot optics, and low-noise rotors, it can stalk targets unseen and strike before their starters react. In 2024, Mi-28s flew dozens of sorties across Eastern Europe and the Middle East. Its presence alone shifts the balance, a psychological weapon that tells enemies, you're never safe. The Mi-28 is more than just a helicopter. It's a message, one that screams from the sky, Russia is watching, Russia is ready, and its Night Hunter is airborne. Impressed by the Mi-28? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Supersonic News, where the world's most advanced war machines take flight. Next episode, even deadlier.